Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the Wipro onboarding update. We are going to see the latest onboarding updates from Wipro in this video. First of all, we are going to see the mail that the candidates have received related to 30th Feb joining. So this is for which batch candidates like Turbo, Elite or WILP. So we are going to see that. After that, we are also going to talk about the Turbo and Elite candidates joining, when it is expected, and also we are going to see the comments that we have recently received on our video, that is this video. What all are the comments? We are also going to answer that. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end so that you don't miss any important information in the video. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload on-campus drives as well as onboarding updates on my channel. Also, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, as I regularly post job postings there as well. So let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, this is the mail that is being received by the candidates recently. In this mail, it is mentioned that congratulations on being shortlisted at Wipro. We are planning your onboarding on 13th of February 2023. Please note, this will be your last and final call for onboarding. Hence, kindly respond to the below survey and let us know your interest and availability to join. Please click here to fill the survey and submit your response. Note, the response to the survey is mandatory, failing which we will assume your disinterest in pursuing opportunity in Wipro. Looking forward to onboard you soon. Now, like this is for which candidates, right? Is this for WILP, or is this for Turbo, or is this for Elite? So first of all, this is for WIMS candidate. So if you are not aware about it, so WIMS is a part of WILP only. So this is for WIMS candidates, for the candidates who are waiting for their onboarding. So this is a survey form and they need to fill it, and it is mentioned that it is mandatory and it is the last and final call. So if in any way if you miss to fill out this survey form, your joining will not be happening, and like your offer will be null and you will not get any joining from Wipro. So make sure, if you have got this survey or the mail related to 13 February onboarding, make sure that you fill it. Now, talking about our next topics, which is the onboarding updates for Wipro's Turbo and Elite candidates, that and in Elite 2, that is phase 1 and phase 2. First of all, let's talk about the phase 1 candidates of Elite. So you know that already on 30th of December, Wipro has already onboarded some of the candidates. Now they are also planning to onboard some of the candidates in January. So soon you are going to get the mails, and you are going to see the mails related to onboarding of phase 1 candidates. So make sure, if your PJP is not completed, make sure to complete your PJPs. Now talking about phase 2 candidates. So phase 2 candidates, already some of them has got their PJP mails. So those candidates who have got their PJP mails, make sure to complete your PJP, and others who are remaining, make sure to keep applying to the other opportunities as well, because it might take some time, but the phase 2 updates are also expected from the February month. Now related to Turbo. So Turbo, already in October, Wipro has mentioned that they will start their hiring for and start to give the joinings for Elite in December, which they have given, and for Turbo in January. But seeing at the current scenario, Turbo's onboarding are to be expected in the month of February. So these are the latest update related to onboardings of Turbo and Elite. And now let's see some of the comments that we have received on the last video that I have uploaded related to Wipro's onboarding update. So this was the video I have uploaded. If you have not checked that, make sure that you check, because in this I have mentioned the complete details related to the termination of Wipro that has been happening for the candidates who have recently joined on 30th of December, right? So let's see the comments one by one. So Turbo onboarding update, already I have mentioned that Turbo's onboarding update is expected in the month of February, when the phase 2 onboarding for Elite. So phase 2 onboarding for the Elite, if you have got the PJP, make sure to complete it. If you have not yet got it, keep on applying, and for the update are expected at the end of February. Okay, but the company will try to onboard as many candidates before April and May. So just keep on waiting patiently. Why they eliminate candidates, in which manner? So if you are not aware about this elimination, so Wipro has recently sent an termination mail to some of the candidates, in which they have mentioned that the candidate is terminated because they have not followed the proper procedure of onboarding, right? Which means that they were included in some of the malpractices or something during the assessment or something like that. So why they eliminate candidates, in which manner? So they have not mentioned anything, just the mail has been sent to the candidates who are terminated, like how many members got rejection mail among how many members onboarded. So you can see that only very few has got, so not many candidates have received this, very few number of candidates have got this rejection mail. Sir, I am selected in Wipro and received offer letter March 22 and green audit mail received in July 2022, but this time I did not receive onboarding mail. So in how many times receiving onboarding mail, and also not done the PJP program. So first of all, if you have not done the PJP program, please take some time and complete it. And if you have got your offer letter in the month of March 2022, then your joining will be is expected before May 2023. So in these upcoming months you can get your joining. Hey, I just done my interview on 28th of December, but I didn't get any update from HR and not any mail. What will I do? So Aman Kumar, usually once you complete your HR interview, you do not get any kind of update from them. Your interview is done. Now the next step is your selection mail or your offer letter. So just wait for some time. It takes usually some time to get your reply from them, that is the selection mail or the offer letter. So whenever they will release the next offer letters, if you are selected, you will get your offer letter. Okay, so there is no such communication related to anything after the HR interview as such. I get December 1 mail from Wipro that your profile is incomplete in ICIMS profile, but that link is showing server error. I replied to Wipro, but they didn't give any reply yet. So usually this might be the case that you might have not seen the mail at that time, and you might have seen the mail at a later point of time, and the link is now expired. So don't need to worry. You try to go to your ICIMS profile once, and if it is accessible to you, you can do the updates. If it is not accessible, don't worry. If they are not replying, if they need you to update your profile, they will send another mail. Okay, don't be worried about it. There is no problem going to happen in this. What about turbo onboarding? Turbo onboarding are expected in the month of February. So I hope I have answered all the common queries which we had. So with this, we have almost come to an end of this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will answer your queries. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms like our Telegram group and our Instagram page. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel. Thank you and all the best for the upcoming joinings.